Indonesia's Judicial Commission will assess a ruling made by a district court for the Election Commission to halt all preparations for next year's polls. Now, the election is effectively facing a delay. The court decision stems from a lawsuit that was filed by the lesser-known Prima Party, and it has reignited debate on President Joko Widodo's tenure that is due to end next year. More from CNA's Chani Vatvani.
The Central Jakarta District Court may have ruled for all of next year's election preparations to be stopped for more than 2 years and to be restarted from the beginning. But at this point, it isn't an open and shut matter. Remember, President Joko Widodo will be completing his second 5-year term in 2024. For starters, Indonesia's constitution mandates a 2-term limit for presidents and vice presidents, and the Constitutional Court earlier this week made clear in a ruling that there could be no extension beyond that time. Now, President Widodo himself has also previously said that he is against the idea of extending his time in office. This latest court ruling has revived debate surrounding Mr. Widodo's tenure. Some senior political figures have openly backed the idea of him staying in office longer, clashing with critics' views that such a move would certainly put a dent in efforts of 2 decades of democratic reform. Now, multiple polls have shown that most Indonesians are against an extension of Mr. Widodo's term as well. And the party backing Mr. Widodo, as well as the country's chief security minister, have said that a district court has no authority to decide on election issues. Now, the General Elections Commission has said that it will appeal the ruling of the Central Jakarta District Court and that it will continue its work for the elections regardless of the ruling. The Office of Presidential Staff, meanwhile, says the government remains committed to supporting the execution of the 2024 elections according to the schedule set by the General Elections Commission. And the Central Jakarta District Court has yet to make clear the reason for its delay order. Indonesia's Judicial Commission has said that it will be conducting an assessment of the ruling for any alleged violations, and they could even resort to summoning the judges responsible for the decision.